Hello friend, this is Nitin Singh. Today, before getting dive into AngularJS, let's set up our development environment. So what we'll do in this, we will first install first we'll install Node.js, then we will install Visual Studio Code, then we'll look into something like extensions. I will let you know what are extensions, and then we'll see VS Code live in action. How the uh, I'm just taking this before we would dive into Angular because um, we should have something productive tool to start with. There are a number of tools because Visual Studio Code is new and it has something amazing thing added to it. That's why, and it provide a good. It can increase your productivity. That's why I've chosen this tool. You can use any of the tools that you may prefer. It's just my option. That's why I'm sharing with you people. Okay, let's see. For Node.js, you can browse to their official site, download the package if you're a Windows user or whichever you are using. Just if you're a Windows user, you can just download it and next install that done. And if you want to check if this version is if Node.js is installed or not, you just need to type a command node -v, and if you get that, if you get a version over here, that means you have successfully installed Node.js. Now second is our Visual Studio Code. This will the editor we will be using through our hand-on section for your for all kind of coding, for front-end coding, for Angular, for HTML. This will be the editor that we will be using throughout the session. Okay, after installing this, let me start it. Okay, currently I'm in a folder called Basics. Okay, let me start this folder in a Visual Studio Code. For that, you just need to write code dot that will start the Visual Studio Code, or you can manually start from the exe or shortcut from your desktop. Okay, here we are. As you can see, this is the folder name which I was in the command prompt. So I will just add a file into that folder, that is start with the index.html. Okay. Okay, before writing some tags, I will let you know what are the extensions. Look, extension are like the marketplace where it can provide, like if you talk about the Play Store, it has their own apps over there. So extension is a marketplace for Visual Studio Code snippets. This extension provides all kind of code snippets you want to increase your productivity. For example, I will um, give you example of HTML. If you want to write a snippet, if you want a snippet for HTML snippets, this is a snippet which I will use. I just need to click on install and it will get installed. Look, it's installed. You just need to restart your Studio Code to reload to get that package added to your Visual Studio Code. I just need to restart it. It will restart very fast. Okay, here we go. uh, we have added this extension to our Visual Studio Code. This process have to done only once, not every time. So let's back into our file. This is our index.html file. So what that extension will do, look the magic of that HTML. I have not to write all HTML tags. So here I just need to write for starting we write HTML, then body, this kind of all tags. No need to write that, just type HTML, and here we have the snippet for that template. And yeah, using that template will write all the things required for a minimum basic start. Just save it. This is due to HTML snippet. Okay, What if you want Bootstrap snippets? Bootstrap is a famous CSS framework used nowadays. So let's search something for that. Bootstrap 3 snippets. Okay, here's the package. Okay, this is a really good package. Let me install you and show you the example how it helps us. Yes, I need to once more reload it so that it will get added to my Visual Studio code. Okay, so how to use this? Let me give you example. Okay, what I have to add a navbar. Generally, what we do, we just go to Google it and get that portion of navbar and just copy paste to our code. Here you just need to write bs3 dash nav and then enter, and hold that code is added to your HTML page. You no need to write anything extra for it. Not even you have to give more time for this. You want to see in action? Let me boot up my server. Now look, Visual Studio Code has given terminal as well. You just need to press Control tilde sign, Control plus tilde to start this terminal. So this is a single alone tool you can use for your development purpose. No need to go into command prompt or any other tool. Okay, so right now I'm booting up my server. I will let you know about this command after some time. Let's see how it looks, how that page looks. Oops. Okay, I have added the bootstrap navbar, but I haven't added any bootstrap required file. So what should I do? I might go to Google and find for some file, install it. But I add a CDN. For that CDN as well, I have to go to net and search it. No, I don't have to, because this snippet I provided something out of the box, that is BS3, and you can see the first option is BS3 CDN. Entering, I just have to enter, and you can see it have added all the required CSS, Bootstrap CSS CDN, jQuery required file, and the Bootstrap JavaScript file. Okay, done. I just need to Control S save and just reload the browser again. You will see a navbar, a beautiful Bootstrap navbar ready in front of you. No need to even have to take any kind of responsiveness. I have to take extra effort for responsiveness. It's already done everything, so no need to bother about those things as well. Okay, let's see some more examples. I've added navbar. Let me add another difficult tag, that is carousel. Oops, it's not showing here. I think I misspelled the spelling. Okay, what if I don't know what the command for carousel? So what should I do? To just hide this terminal, you can again press Control tilde sign to hide it, and let me search in that snippet what is the command for carousel. So I have just to go down little bit to see where that command is. You can use any of this command to, like, you have to create a small link button. You can use this bs3sm dash link dash button to create a bootstrap link button, any kind of bootstrap related stuff. Oh, here is bootstrap 3 carousel. Okay, I might have misspelled it. Let's put it again. Oops. Carousel, it's here in the IntelliSense. I just have to enter. Okay, all whole carousel is here. I have not even bother about those things. Let's see how it looks in action. Let's refresh it. Oh, yeah. Here is the carousel. All with all functionality, we don't need to even bother about anything. Even if you are very kind of a person that to need design should be responsive, you can see it's responsive. You not even have to bother about the whole thing. It has been added to your HTML page. So these are the things that can increase your productivity. Okay, so for today this so for the day it is only the thing that I will show you in the next in my next screencast. We will start with our Angular kind of stuffs. Till then, have a great day.